What?
I said, y'all the police, y'all can park how the fuck y'all want to park. They gonna respect it anyway.
Yeah.
I came up here because the school called me. This lady in the back seat had a gun on my children at the school property, so that's why I'm parked. She in the back seat over there. Grown ass lady at East Tech trying to shoot my kids. Got her with the gun. Take that bitch to jail because I'm pressing charges. They put her in the back seat. You want to go to this bus stop every day? Put my sister up. Put my sister up. Put my sister up. Where's my school? Go to the street on the side, boy!
Yes, sir! Shit! Make it!
Dead niggas don't make me.
I gotta come start, man. It's empty. Alright, go to your bus stop!
Always make some news.
Yep.
Did someone have a gun? That's what our call was.
Yeah, I think they got her.
Do they? Okay.
Yeah,
RTA hooked them up.
yeah.
So they did get one with a gun.
Yeah. The school, we just rode by and saw the commotion and the security
They got him
guard.
secured though.
Yeah, the security guard.
Is it a kid or a student?
I think they said a parent.
We have two. Mother and daughter. We got those. So we got the gun.
Yeah, my daughters is the ones that she pulled the gun on. My kids calling me fearing for their life. This lady about to shoot us. So I came up pulling like this. You finna shoot too. You gonna have to shoot me out here too. And she a grown mother up here. I'm pressing charges, so whatever I need to do, she's going to jail.
You need more cards?
Period. So whatever paperwork I need to do, I ain't know that.
Yeah, if you have them, you can send them. Do you think we need to break them from lunch? Okay, there we go. It's a bunch of kids outside. There's some fights starting up. They're broke up for now, but there's still just a whole lot of kids outside. RTA and CMHA are here too.
Time for the weather warm, right, guys?
Yeah, it's a nice day.
I thought the rain was gonna get us.
Hey,
Let me find out who this parent is with this gun.
What you supposed to do is the girl suspended, and they come up here with their mama with a gun. You see, they suspended. Oh, the mother and the daughter going to jail. The fuck? That's why they both in the car. You suspended up here for what? And the mama doing too much. Then you gonna bring your mama up here with a gun if my kids would have got signed, calm it down. Cause man could be on the ground dead. The fuck is they talking about? This ain't life for me. Kids do too motherfucking much. And the mama's too. She gonna really whip the gun. And it's a camera over there that she whipped the gun out. They better pull this shit. And my kids go to school, honor roll students. This girl suspended. You gonna come up here with your mama to kill my daughter? On what grounds, though? Fuck out of here. And then his mama's like, you congratulate that shit. I ain't shutting the fuck up, because if man was dead right here, I was gonna throw your ass off. It wasn't supposed to be straight A's. My kids be straight A's. Fuck that, man.
your daughter is?
They're both of my kids.
Yes, we was the mom. Yes, I'm good. Yes, I'm very proud.
They calling me panic, screaming, why this lady got a gun on the school grounds? They arrested her, put her on the ground, and put her in the back of the car. Bitch, see, that's what, on the niggas, I'm mad as fuck. You put a gun out on my kids. I'm pressing charges to the fullest extent. You doing too much to be a mother.
I got a belt.
And then your daughter suspended. She up here hiding hoodies with a gun at the bus stop.
Right.
How the fuck they supposed to get home? Fuck out of here.
Not safe nowhere.
I ain't going nowhere. It's a whole report. You finna report this. It's going to court.